sequential compression device. So whenever you get it, it will come in a box and it will be wrapped in your plastic. Just get it, and you'll take it out of the plastic sleeve. And there'll be a separate sleeve that has the power cord and a small thing in it. So you get those out. Your power cord will plug into the back. And then you can plug it into your electrical outlet. Keep up with this small piece, because if you're only using one sleeve, you will need this to put in the opposite side. So your sleeve will come in a bag like this. You'll take it out. It will be Velcroed together. You just un-Velcro and let the hose unroll. Then you take this end and you insert it into your pump. It doesn't matter which side, and you'll hear it snap into place. Now, if you're only using one pump or one sleeve, this is where you put your small piece in the opposite side. This blocks it off so that it's not pulling and pushing air out on the opposite side. Now then, to start it, on the back of your pump is your on-off switch. So you will flip it on, and then your pump's gonna say this, start and stop now. So start and stop is your orange button. You'll push the orange button to start. The very first time you use it, you have to select what you're using. So today I'm demonstrating to you a leg. If you're using an arm, you just push the down arrow and select arm. So I'm gonna push leg, and then I push select. Now then you select if you're using one or two sleeves. Today, I'm just gonna demonstrate one, so I'll just push select. And at this time, then it would start up. I'm gonna stop it so that I can then show you how to put the sleeve on. To put on your sleeve, you can do it from sitting. You can just slide your leg into the sleeve. If you're not able to get your leg up to put it in, it has a zipper down the front, and you're able to unzip it and slide it in. Your sleeve has handles on it to help you pull up to get it up. Be sure you get it to where your foot is down in the bottom and it comes up higher on your thigh. Then all you do is you're gonna push your on button, push your power button on the back, start it, so that turns on the power, and now all you have to push is start. It is set up from there, so you push start, and now then it'll begin filling with air. It will start putting air in the entire sleeve, top to bottom. Once it gets a certain amount of, once it gets 20 to 20% of air in the sleeve, then it'll begin getting tighter at the bottom, and it'll get tighter at the bottom at your foot in the first chamber, and you'll see it read chamber 1, and then it'll go to the next chamber and get tighter on up your leg to give a graduated pressure to move the fluid up and out of your leg. Now then that it is to full pressure, it's going to start getting tighter in the bottom. So it shows that we are at chamber 1 and it got up to 45. Now then it's going to chamber 2 at 43. And it's moving up to chamber 3, which is about mid-leg. It will do this through each section until it gets all the way to the top. Once it has filled with pressure at each section or chamber, then it will release air for 12 seconds and then it'll start again at the bottom. If you let it run for the full time, your pump will run for 60 minutes. At the bottom of the pump, it will show you how many minutes you have remaining. You can let it run the full time. If you need to stop for any reason during it, all you have to do is push the stop button. So whenever you push the stop button, the air will start releasing, and you can wait until it's loose enough that you can slide your leg out of the sleeve. If you need up immediately and can't wait for it to release pressure, you can always unzip it and it will just fall away. One thing, if you ever turn the power off on your pump before you push the stop button, the air will remain in the sleeves. To get the air to come out of the sleeves, all you need to do is turn your power back on your pump, push the orange button to start it, and then push it once more to stop it, and it'll immediately remove all the air from the chambers. So now if I push stop, the air is starting to release to where it takes up to 3 minutes for all the air to come completely out of the sleeve. You can always remove your leg though as soon as it gets light enough, or the pressure is low enough that you're able to slide your leg out. Once again, if you need your leg out early, you just unzip it and it'll fall away. The air will remain in the sleeve until you push the stop button. Once you push stop, the air will remove, and then you can push the power off button once the air is out of the sleeve. If you have any questions, be sure to contact us at Connie Cares. We would be happy to help with any troubleshooting issues you may have. Congratulations on getting your pump from Connie Cares, and we hope we can help anyway in the future. Thank you.